Hello everyone, today we are learning about filtration. Filtration separates a solid from a liquid. As you can see, sand is a solid. The filter paper will separate them. Hello, today we will learn about distillation. Distillation separates liquids based on their boiling points. For example, a mixture of alcohol and water, the vapor passes through the condenser and is collected as a pure liquid. Crystallization is used to purify solids. It forms crystals from a solution, like salt or sugar. The process involves cooling or evaporation. This is how we get pure crystals. Hello, today we'll learn about sublimation. It is when a solid turns directly into gas without becoming a liquid. Look at the diagram by Balde. This vapor then cools on the surface above. Chromatography separates components based on affinity differences. Here is the example of ink separation. The ink moves up the paper. It separates into different colors. Centrifugation uses high-speed rotation to separate based on density. For example, in blood, plasma is less dense and red cells are more dense and settle at the bottom. Decantation. This is a method for separating a liquid from a solid. We pour the liquid off, leaving the sediment behind. See the diagram. This is decantation, a very useful technique. Hello everyone. Today we will learn about evaporation. Evaporation is when a liquid changes to a gas. For example, salt from seawater. The water evaporates, leaving the salt behind. Sedimentation is when heavier particles settle down. This is often followed by decantation. For example, soil in water. The heavier soil settles at the bottom. Hello, today we'll see magnetic separation. It uses a magnet to separate magnetic material. For example, iron from sand. The magnet pulls the iron filings. This leaves the sand behind.